version 22, we added the ability for our punch users to common cut nest previously tooled punch parts. But with that, there came some limitations. Tools that would interfere with each other but did not belong to the common cut entity would no longer be candidates for common cut. So you can see the results that I'm showing you now are the results that would be in 22, the parts that I have here. But if I turn on same part common cut in version 23 and auto nest this again, my results are much more favorable. You'll notice I have nice groups all along the top edge, and as I zoom in, you can see that there are tools that would interfere with each other but don't have a negative impact on whether or not we could actually common cut. Now there is some floating scrap that will have to be handled by our punch NC, but these nice little groups make for less hits and less tool wear. The last part that I'm going to show you has a tool that sticks out that if we were to common cut would interfere with the neighboring part. We recognize that and choose the other edges for common cut. And the best part about this nest is now all of our parts fit on one sheet instead of two.